Hi, I'm Chef Amy Hoagie, and I'm here to teach you how to play with food. Today we're playing with stir-fry, chicken stir-fry with a 5-spice seasoning and a whole lot more other ingredients we're going to add here. I've got my assistant, one of my cooking students, Justine. Thank you for coming.
Thanks for having me. This is good stuff right here.
The fit cook. She loves to cook healthy, and she loves to just cook. She enjoys it. So we had a blast cooking. So we're going to go ahead, and she'd actually helped me with some prep. She did some chicken, this nicely chopped garlic that we're going to add. I'm going to go ahead, and my pan's on medium-high heat. I'm going to add a couple tablespoons here of olive oil. We're going to throw in some onion.
It's a beautiful color.
Gorgeous.
The olive oil is gorgeous.
So good for you.
It's good fat.
Let's add some garlic. I happen to love garlic. Yeah, tablespoon maybe of that one?
Oh, at
maybe
least.
Teaspoon? I know.
I'll throw a couple of them in there.
Oh, boy.
Why not?
Good. Why don't you throw in some carrots for me?
Carrots.
And our broccoli. Now I add it according to how long it's going to take to cook. So we've got that. Carrots take a little bit longer, and so does our chicken. So we're going to throw in our chicken next. Nice, thank you.
And notice how small the veggies are cut up. It cooks them a lot faster that way.
And then you don't overcook. Go ahead and add some chicken while you're in there.
And we talked about before, you could use pork.
You absolutely could
use
use pork.
A lean red meat if you want.
Now we're going to be adding our sauce for this. Is going to be a little sesame oil and some 5-spice seasoning. And actually, let me add some ginger. Okay.
It's really good.
Teaspoon. This is some minced ginger you can get at the in the produce section at most grocery stores. It's got a little bit of a sugar in there to preserve it. Right. But it's fabulous. It's a lot. You can put a lid on it and you can keep it in the fridge for a while. But I'm telling you, I use that stuff tons. I'm going to season some salt, some sea salt, and then I have now our 5-spice powder. Do you know what the 5 spices are?
Star anise, cloves, cinnamon, and ginger.
Fennel. There's
fennel,
some,
that's right.
Fennel. Don't need to add a lot. You can always add more. I just kind of sprinkle it in there. And we're going to be adding it to our quinoa.
Quinoa.
Okay, that is so easy to cook. We've got, all you really have to do is, it's 2 to 1. Boil up some water, add a little olive oil, throw in your quinoa once it boils, and it cooks, 20 minminutes, I think?
15 to 20.
15 to 20. Yeah. Fabulous. Nice.
Or you can cook it in broth or stock to give it a little bit of extra flavor.
There you go. It's our 1.5 servings there.
Love on a plate.
Love on a plate. I'm telling you. Here you have it. Our stir-fry, our chicken stir-fry with 5-spice seasoning. I'm Chef Amy Hoagie. You can check me out on my website at chefamy with 2 e's.com.